Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about the latest videos. In this video, we will tell you about Google Maps just announced new features and updates for their app. Link of the post is in the description. Let's see those features. A new fresh look. Explore and commute are already available on the app. Save, contribute and updates are the new options. Explore is for find information, rating, reviews and more about places. Commute is to make sure you are on the most proficient route. Get real-time traffic updates, time travels. Saved is added as a new option. People saved places on Google Maps for their upcoming vacations. Now they can view all of their spots in one convenient place. And option is contribute. With this option, you can easily share your local knowledge such as details about road addresses and missing places. Updates option is also added that provide a feed of trending most see spots from local experts and publishers. Here these options will be available: explore, commute, saved, contribute and updates. This is how it works. Other options are temperature, accessibility, women section, security on board. You can check temperature in advance. Accessibility, accessible entrance, staff assistance and others. Women's section, security board, number of carriages available. It's only for Japan. Here you see how it works. Accessibility, temperature, women's section, not crowded, not too crowded, another. And another option is sense of will help you to quickly decide which way to go by combining street view with real imagery. This is how it works. So these are all the updates from Google Maps they have just announced. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel.